Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you all are fine and doing well. Okay, now open your computer books. Open page number 16. Here we are going to read out must know. So these you are going to know must, right? Keep in your mind. Every part of the computer is important and cannot be replaced by some other part. Okay, as you know, the main four part of a computer, right? Monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, right? These cannot be replaced, or if there is one thing missing, if let's suppose the CPU is missing, so the computer cannot be connect or cannot be switch on, right? If the CPU and the monitor is present, right, and the mouse and the keyboard is missing, so it will not work out as the proper system works, right? So it cannot be replaced. These are the four main parts that computer runs, right? Computer etiquette. When you are asked to go to the computer lab, always move in a queue. Now look at the picture here. You do not need to rush. You will go into the line one by one and enter the computer lab, right? Second, take off your shoes when you enter the computer lab. Here you can see the kids, the students are taking off their shoes, then they are going to enter the computer lab, right? As if your teacher tells you that you are going to off your shoes and then go to the computer lab, so you are going to do the same, right? Now, things to know. A computer has four main parts. Now you are well known what are the main parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows alphabets, numbers and picture. As you are well known, what is monitor? Like it's look like a TV screen. Now look at the page number 17. CPU is the brain of a computer, right? CPU is the brain of a computer. Keyboard helps you to type, right? Mouse helps you to point things on the computer screen. Okay. Keywords. Monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of a computer. So these things you should have to keep in your mind, right? When you are going to the computer lab, you must know these terms, right? CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse, and how does it work, so you should know about these, right? Now here is the exercise. Choose the correct word and write in the space provided. So this is your space, right? And these are your you are going to choose a correct word for the correct sentence, right? So here the first one is, as you are done in the last exercise, right? So you are going to do the same here as well. First you are going to choose it, right, and then you are going to write it down here. Dash is the brain of a computer. Now as we have done, right? So you are going to tell me which thing is the brain of a computer: monitor, CPU, or a mouse? CPU. Yes, CPU, right? So here you are going to write it down here. Okay, now for the 2, 3, 4 you are going to do it by yourself. I'm just going to read out. 2. Keyboard has small buttons called dash. A. Keys. B. Kites. C. Knees. 3. A dash is used to point things on a computer. A. Mat. B. Monitor. Dash. Mouse. Right? 4. Dash is used to see picture alphabet numbers. A. Mouse. B. Monitor. C. Monkey. So now you are going to do the rest of these by yourself. Write it down correct word here, right? Which is the space is provided here, right? Okay, now turn your page. Look at the page number 18. Fill in the blanks, right? Fill in the blanks. So these are your blanks, right? And you are going to fill it from here: monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. I'm going to read out and then you are going to do it by yourself. A. Okay, first one. A dash looks like a TV screen. So now you are well known what is look like a TV screen. Dash helps to type letters. Now this one is very easy. Third, dash is the brain of CPU. So this is very easy. 4. A dash has a long wire and point things on a computer. So this exercise, B exercise, you are going to do it by yourself, right? As you can see the next one, this one is also you are going to do it by yourself. I'm just going to read out. C. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones, right? You are going to tick the correct one and cross the wrong ones. Keyboard looks like a TV screen. Is this one correct sentence or false? Wrong ones. Keyboard looks like a TV screen. No. So here I will do only the first one. So the rest one you are going to do it by yourself. Second, a cat is the brain of a computer. Okay. A mouse helps to draw. Keyboard helps to type numbers. CPU is not an important part of a computer. So the rest of these you are going to do it by yourself. Now as you can see this one, D. Answer the following question. First one, name the 4 parts of a computer. Okay, now so these are the 4 main parts and you are going to write it down here in the option A, B, C, D, right? This is very easy. You can do it by yourself. First you are going to learn and study, then you are going to all these exercises, right? 2. Which part of a computer looks like TV? So here you can see these are the pictures. You can also take help from them and then you can do it here, right? Okay, so these are your homeworks. You are going to do it by yourself, right? Till I will come with the next video. So take care. Allah Hafiz.